Kurumjai Namaskar, Sashrikal, Assalamu alaikum, it's me Ham Singh. Welcome back to the new video. So in this video, I'm just trying to demonstrate and show you guys how to draw a very simple still life objects. Especially this video is for the beginner. So as a beginner, it is very much necessary to learn object drawing. But most of the beginner does a very big mistake initially. They rarely ignore object study. But believe me, before you go for portrait sketches, try to learn still object drawing. Which will actually help you a lot in improving the skills of drawing, outline and understanding the perspectives. So here, whenever you are making the outlines or whenever you are drawing the outline, you should always keep in your mind that you should never press the pencil harder or you should never make the outline darker. So those outlines should be little bit visible, not much. Faintly, if it is visible, it's okay. Then once the shapes of the figures is perfect, you go for the shading. If the figures shapes are not perfect, even though if you do so well in shading, your sketches will not look so realistic. So first of all, your shapes is very important. Once the shapes is perfect, then you go for the shading. And in shading also you need to keep in your mind that whenever you start the shading, never start with the darker shading. First of all, you just try to observe the objects and try to understand where is the shaded area and where is the highlighted or lighted area. Then first of all, you go with a mid-toned shading. After that, you in the second layering, you go for those darker regions. You just make it little bit darker. So likewise, you can go like 2, 3, 4 steps or how much layering, that is according to your requirement. So it's a very slow process. When you take more time, that means more time if you take in making a shading, your sketches will be perfect the more time you consume. So never be hurried. Most of the beginners, they usually feel bored when they just go start this setting, and they just want to finish it very quickly, and they don't care about these highlighted depth portions and the light portions, dark, light. They just hurried in sketching, so that will really spoil the sketches. So take much time. Observation is very much important. Observe it very well. Try to understand the objects, and then you go through it slowly.
I got you and your vibes in my mind, I can't get them out, no matter how hard I try. I need you and your heart next to mine, yeah, I'm all about keeping it you and I. When you're here, you spark chemical reactions, your aura strikes like lightning. Got no words, I'm just drowning in attraction. Only